Hello everyone, welcome back. So we're going to do something a little different today. But before we get into that, stay till the end. I will have a sneak peek of what my first video will be on my new channel, which will be airing tomorrow. So let's get started. So we're going to do something a little different. This is my collage book. And I have all these different fun collage pages. They're all, back to back. And I have little shorts on these. Some are up on YouTube, but most of them go on Instagram. And normally I do these photos. But I thought today I would do a video on it and take you guys with me. I like this one. Reminds me of my kid. Okay, so we're going to work on this page. And the first thing what I'm going to do is go in here and pick what my focal's going to be. I don't always just pick what focal point I want, but I want to do that today. And I'm going to, there's too many to choose from. That might be an idea. I hope everyone is doing great. I'm doing good-ish. I have been dealing with really bad migraines yet again. It's been less than a month and they just seem to keep occurring, which just seems to be my life. Oh, okay. I think I might need to do that. So we picked our focal, and what I'm going to do now is normally I would take blank pictures and slowly just add on. They're really fun. You should check one out. These are all just my random papers that I've gotten. They use as collage backgrounds. A lot of them are ones that I've gotten off of Amazon. Sorry. With migraines comes brain not totally processing words or spitting words out, which makes it hard for videos sometimes. But we are going to try. All right, let's see. What do we want? This is the part that you guys don't see when I am there. Normally it takes me forever to decide what to do, what I want to do, how I want to do it. But I thought I would just give you guys kind of a behind the scene of how I do this. I know I'll be doing more on this on Facebook as shorts of how I do these, the fast. So I'll probably put this right up here as my focal as part of it. And I really like this with the little tea party and stuff. And I like that. But I want something on the sides. Look in the back. Give it a full-blown. Maybe this one. And I try really hard not to overthink. Because, man, does that just make it even longer. I kind of like that. I think I want these a little more off. So I think I'd put that right up there. And this a little over down more. Because I don't care if little stuff exposed. That's fine. Yeah, a little up. And then we are swapping, okay? We're going to put this down here. Love when light bulbs go off. We're going to put this beauty up here, and we're going to put it up a little. And that way, I want that T. No. Okay. I'm going to put you guys off center like that. And we're probably going to add some butterflies and different things. but I don't want that anymore. That doesn't work. We're going to take some more of, we might use that, more of these, and kind of just do alternated. These aren't as long as the others, which is just fine. And let's go one more down right here. And what I want to do is we are going to like kind of put this one right here or a little further down. And I want this set up like it is pouring into the teapot. And then I don't want this one mitt. But I like this, so we're going to add that little beauty right there. All right, so far that looks good. I want to add some washi tape. And I think we're going to add some right along this and right along here, like right in this area. Okay, so this is where we're going for. It hopefully will not change in the process. I know that won't because I love that. And I'm going to try to just put all these right like this. And we're going to set this. And look how fun that is. We're going to just totally rip that down. We know we want some right down here. And we want some up here. There we go. Squeeze all that down. There we go. So the next thing I'm going to do is add some paint. And I have some watercolor right next to me and a water brush. And I'm just going to play a little bit with these and see where it takes us. Really pretty. Look at that. Oh, I'm gonna go and just do little dots coming down. So I don't think you can see it over here, but I'm like literally where I sprayed it, I am dabbing. So I'm going like this to get the paint. There we go. Abstract art, right? Okay. Now, last, I think I would like a butterfly right there in that opened space, because I have no idea where my writing stuff, paper, stickers. Where are you? Oh, you're right, it's just plain. Okay, so here you go. We added washi, and the thing with these are layers, okay? We added some washi tape, we added some fun papers on top of it, this little cute, and then I added some stickers, and this little teacup. So things that you can do with this. Some, you can just leave it in the thing and go through it and watch yourself improve on your cluster making. Others times you can like say, I really love this and I don't want anything on the back. You know what? You could totally use this for a cover of a journal. Use it as your main, like a book plate type thing, to put on top of your journal. Or you can frame them. So tons of different ideas. Thank you for joining me. Thank you for all that you do. And if you liked this, give it a thumbs up and think of subscribing. I appreciate that. And also, I hope you enjoy the little outtake of the my new channel. I will put the description in the link. Hopefully it'll pop up. I don't know if it will, because that will be my first video for that channel. Maybe I'll have to do a little intro video and then throw the link down there. We'll see. I don't know how I'm going to have to do that. But you guys are fabulous. Thanks. Bye. Here is my sneak peek. I took a 3-pack of those different things and made my own signs. Come join me.